Every organization has a start date. Very few have a reason. Back in 1991, R.R. Khandol and Co. took shape under the guidance of CA Dr. Rajesh Khandol. At the time, there was no ambition to build something large. The work was precise, disciplined, and largely invisible. Accounting, audits, certifications. The kind of work where errors linger long after the paperwork is done. Dr. Khandol was not chasing recognition. With a doctorate in economics and a growing reputation in strategy consulting, his focus was simple. If people trust you with their numbers, you owe them integrity. No shortcuts, no noise. That belief became the foundation. As the years passed, client conversations began to change. The work was no longer only about compliance. People stayed back after the meetings and they asked questions that were not on the agenda. Questions about timing, about consequences, and about whether the decisions they were taking truly served them in the long run. They were no longer asking only what to do, but they were asking why. And that was when the work started to evolve. By the mid-1990s, value-added services was introduced, not as an upgrade, but as a response. Clients needed interpretation and not just information. Someone who would slow down, connect the dots, and think alongside them. In the early 2000s, management consultancy followed. Around this time, others joined the journey. Professionals drawn to the same instinct for responsibility. People comfortable working behind the scenes and solving problems most would never see. In 2006, we opened a branch in Gandhidham, and in 2016, a branch opened in Ahmedabad. Not to signal expansion, but to remain close to clients whose needs were becoming more complex. Growth was never about geography, it was always about proximity. As client relationships deepened, another realization took shape. Wealth could not be managed in fragments. Investments, protection, cash flows, goals, and legacy were deeply connected. This thinking led to Capital Sprout. Capital Sprout was created with the intention of holistic wealth planning. It focused on the full financial picture and not just isolated products. Planning before execution, understanding before action. Aligning money with life rather than just chasing returns in isolation. In many ways, Capital Sprout became the bridge between traditional advisory and what Orient would eventually represent. The name is not decorative, it is intentional. A is for awareness because every sound financial decision begins with understanding, not just of the markets, but of the people, their concerns, their timelines, and their lives beyond balance sheets. U is for uncompromising integrity. No shortcuts, no hidden incentives, no convenient half-truths. Integrity here is not just a value on paper, it is a boundary that does not move. R is for responsibility. Responsibility to clients, yes, but also to capital itself. To ensure money is grown thoughtfully, not recklessly. Because advice here is offered with care and never with urgency. R is for resilience, built over decades through cycles, corrections, reforms, and reinvention. Resilience shows up when patience matters more than the reaction. E is for empathy, because wealth is never just wealth. It represents memory, security, and legacy. Advising without empathy is simply arithmetic. N is for nurture, of relationships, of young professionals, and of the trust that grows quietly over time. Many who began their careers have never left, and that continuity matters. T is for trust, earned slowly, often invisibly. When clients share access to their financial systems, their SAP data, their business realities, what they are really offering is belief. That belief is never taken slightly. Orient does not sell solutions. It builds understanding through customized advisory, strategic decision-making, cost efficiency, and internal controls, financial structuring and risk assessment. Each service is a part of a larger picture, one that only makes sense when you step back and ask, whether this genuinely helps the client sleep better at night. If the answer is no, the work here is not finished. Aurent is not built around one desk. It never was. At the center of the firm is CA Dr. Rajesh Khandol, a mentor more than a title. With over 35 years of experience in strategy consulting and a doctorate in economics, his influence is steady rather than loud. Many of the firm's defining decisions carry his quiet imprint. Working alongside him are people who have spent decades inside systems most would never see. Mr. Paryank Trivedi, with over 30 years of experience in internal audits, brings deep institutional understanding and calm judgment. His work is deliberate, trusted, and rarely visible outside the room. Mr. Anvesh Pathak adds more than 20 years of audit experience, known for consistency and clarity when situations are layered and the answer may be not so obvious. A strong forensic lens runs through the team. CA Nikunj Dholakia, a chartered accountant with an ISA certification in forensic audit and over 15 years of experience, works at the intersection of detail and discretion. Alongside him is CA Jinesh Shah, bringing similar forensic depth shaped by years of examining what numbers reveal and what they conceal. Some journeys here are deeply intertwined with the firm's evolution. CA Jagruti Shah, with over 10 years of experience in audit advisory, has been a part of the organization since the early days of Capital Sprout. Representing the next generation is CA Param Trivedi, young, dynamic, and firmly grounded in the realities of modern finance. He reflects how the firm continues to evolve without losing its core. Client relationships are guided with equal care. CA Dhara Panya, with more than 3 years of experience in client relation, leads the insurance division. Representing the next generation of leadership is Meera Khandol. With over 2 years of experience in investment consulting and investor relations, her role reflects the firm's forward-looking lens, bridging the research-driven advisory with communication, transparency, and long-term client engagement. Together, this is not a hierarchy, it is a system. Under the wider firm, there are 51 qualified chartered accountants, each trusted with real responsibility early in their careers. Mentorship here is practical and not just theoretical. Young professionals are exposed to live client situations, complex audits, and decisions with real consequences. They learn not just how to analyze, but how to judge. Over the years, this environment has enabled many to build strong, independent careers both within the firm and beyond. Some stayed and grew into leadership, while others carried the learning forward elsewhere. Experience here is not collected, it is lived. By the time capital markets began dominating conversations, something felt off. Dr. Khandol had seen too many investors being sold products that they barely understood. Wealth was being treated like inventory. Advice was rushed and incentives were misaligned. And when things went wrong, accountability was nowhere to be found. That did not sit well. So in 2019, Capital Markets Advisory was introduced, not as a revenue play, but as a corrective step. Advice over selling, judgment over noise, and long-term thinking over short-term wins. This was not a pivot. It was a return to first principles. This philosophy would eventually become Aurent. Aurent Wealth formally took shape in 2019, though the intent has existed long before. The observation was simple and slightly uncomfortable. Advice had become transactional and personal context was missing. So the focus shifted from selling to guiding. Assets under advisory grew steadily, from 0 in 2019 to 100 crores by 2020 to 200 crores by 2022, and crossing 500 crores by 2025. No rush, no spectacle, just trust compounding over time. Insurance advisory followed in 2021. Again, not because it was fashionable, but because clients needed clarity in a space filled with noise. The approach began to attract a wider attention, and Business Standard recognized Orient for its disciplined growth and advisory philosophy, quietly affirming years of restraint and consistency. In 2023, CA Dr. Rajesh Khandol's work was also recognized nationally within the insurance advisory ecosystem. International conversations followed, strategy discussions across borders and exposures widened, but the philosophy remained unchanged. The journey began in Gujarat, then in India, and eventually beyond borders. Today, Orient serves clients across India, Australia, African nations, the UAE, the USA, and Germany. Different geographies, but the expectations are the same: clarity, accountability, and care. As India grows into one of the world's largest economies, we see our role clearly, not just as advisors, but as custodians of Indian capital, helping families think beyond generations and helping wealth move with intention. There is a saying that captures this belief well: money earned with effort deserves guidance with wisdom. That belief runs through everything we do. Orient was not built to be loud. It was built to endure, through decisions made when no one was watching, through restraint, consistency, and care. The goal was never to be everywhere, but only to be there when it mattered the most. And perhaps that is the truest measure of wealth. To our clients who have placed their trust in us over the years, we remain deeply grateful. It is a responsibility we honor every single day.